Morning class. Let's start our new chapter, chapter number 9, profit, loss, and discount. Before we proceed further, first we should recapitulate some things which we studied in class 6th also, like cost price, selling price, profit, loss. Remember? Now, cost price, children, is the price at which you purchase something. Like you go to the market and you say to buy a pen, and you ask ki, what is the price of this pen, and he says it is for rupees 10. So this price is its cost price. Then comes children's selling price. You think I am not having any use of this pen, I want to sell it back again to someone else. So you say ki I want to sell it, and you go to your friend and you say ki I want to give this pen for rupees 11. Now you are selling this at 11 rupees. Now when you are selling it at rupees 11, so rupees 11 is the selling price. So you are selling it for 1 rupee extra. So that is your profit, faida. Okay. And by chance your friend says, no, it's a used pen, I will not give rupees 11 for it, I will give rupees 9. Means 1 rupees less. Remember, you bought it for rupees 10 and now he's asking for rupees 9. So you think okay fine, I'll give you at rupees 9 only. Now you are having nuksan of rupee 1, yani ki loss. So one thing is cost price, and on which you are purchasing something, and one thing is selling price at which you are selling something. Then comes profit. If your selling price is more than the cost price, then it's your profit time. And if your selling price is less than your cost price, then it is your loss time. Then in percentage, if you need to find okay, how much percentage you are gaining or losing, so in that case the formula becomes profit upon CP into 100% or loss upon CP into 100%. Remember, in both the cases, profit percent and loss percent, you will be finding on CP only, not on SP, only on cost price. I hope these things are clear to you now. Now let us do our first example. An article bought laya for rupees 120. So CP is rupees 120, is sold for rupees 150. Find the gain or loss percent. Now you analyze. Cost price is 120 and selling price is 150. Which is more, selling price or cost price, children? Selling price na. So when selling price is more than cost price, so it means it is profit. So gain is equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 30, and gain percent is gain upon CP into 100. Profit is also called gain, children. Then second case, a bicycle bought for rupees 600 and is sold for 550. Bought for 600 and sold for 550. Gain or loss, children? First you tell me only. Loss na? Bought for 600 and sold for 550. So loss is CP minus SP. So 600 minus 550, 50 rupees loss. And loss percent is loss upon CP into 100%. And you can solve it. Then children, second case comes to find selling price when CP and profit or loss percent are known. What is given to you? CP is given to you, profit percent is given to you, or loss percent is given to you, and you need to find selling price. Geeta bought a watch for rupees 450. CP, for how much should she sell? For how much should she sell it to gain 10%? Gain, she wants to make a gain of 10%. So one method is this, children. CP is this, and I told you gain percent or loss percent we always find on CP. So 10% of CP, the gain is this. The formula says profit is equal to SP minus CP. So SP is equal to CP plus gain. So CP plus gain, 450 plus 45. Got it? And now one more method is there, and it is that gain is 10%. So selling price is 110% of CP. Or you can say 100 plus 10. 110% of CP. So 110 upon 100 into CP, that is 450. Okay. Okay class. And then comes example number 3. A shopkeeper buys 50 pencils for rupees 80. 50 pencils for rupees 80. So cost price of 50 pencils rupees 80. So cost price of one pencil 80 upon 50. Sells them at 40 pencils for rupees 90, and selling rate is 40 pencils he is selling for rupees 90. So selling price of 40 pencils rupees 90. So selling price of one pencil 90 upon 40. Now which is more, children? CP is more 1.60 or SP is more? SP na 2.25. So gain is equal to SP minus CP, and then gain percent you can find. I hope these examples are clear to you. Please note down them in your notebooks, and then we are going to start our exercise 9th. Thank you. Have a nice day.